As a professional realtor and not my brother,
I'm both.
you are both.
Fact.
This is going to be rate my DIY projects as a realtor. So,
Not your brother.
correct. My feelings will not be hurt. Okay, so you can just say it like it is.
Okay.
If you are selling this house, which you are not, and you see what we've done, you're going to say whether you think it adds value, has no effect on the value, or subtracted value. Detracted? Subtracted. Subtracted value. So, rate my DIY projects. We'll just go through the whole house. So, entryway, closet.
Adds value.
Adds value.
Yep. It looks nice. It's usable. Adds value.
Cool. And approximately how much value?
I'd give that a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Because some people probably would do it differently.
Right.
Personally, I like it. And I think how it looks now compared to how it did, definitely value.
So here's another question. Is people coming in looking at the house wouldn't know what it looked like before?
Fact.
That always wonder about that. Okay. Entryway adds value. We're off to a good start.
Okay.
Faux shiplap wall in the entryway.
Neutral.
Neutral.
No value added. Personally, I like it, but you're not going to get more money from selling the house because of that.
Gotcha. Custom fireplace.
Definitely value. It looks nice, it looks elegant, and apparently it actually works.
It does work.
Okay. Yep.
It can put out heat, but it does not have to. So it can just be for ambiance, but if you needed it to heat the house, which in Florida you mostly do not.
Yep. I like it. And like I said before, I think it adds value. I think it's a nice touch, and I doubt that any other of these homes around here have it.
I agree. Definitely not one like this because it's one of a kind, custom built.
Yep.
So we painted the entire house white. It was a sad beige.
100% value add.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I'm sure it brightened it up. You don't have a ton of windows. I'm sure it made it brighter and happier.
Okay. So white was a good choice.
Yep.
Okay. Better than beige.
I think so.
Okay. Moving on to the hallway. So hallway closet had mirrored accordion doors and builder grade wire shelving. And we built a custom hidden door and floating shelves and wallpapered.
What year was the house built?
83? 81.
Yeah, classic. Mirror, accordion.
Oh, yeah.
Ugly.
Yeah.
That adds value. Again, I don't think people that are coming in here are going to, again, know what it looked like.
Right.
But just as a feeling when you walk into the house and look at it, I think that's going to add value, especially with the shelves.
Cool.
And for what it's worth, it adds a vibe with the coffee table, the dining table, and the mantle. And it's all cohesive.
Yeah. Okay. Downstairs bathroom, completely gutted and redone.
Total win. Add value. That's probably, I think the bathrooms are your highest value add.
Like, how much can you expect to get a return on your investment when you redo a bathroom?
Again, that people will definitely know that it's been done.
Because it does not look like an 80s bathroom anymore.
Correct. And bathrooms are expensive to redo.
Right.
So I think $5,000 to $10,000 per bathroom.
Cool. And if we had not done the bathrooms ourselves, it would have cost at least double what we did it for just in materials.
Right.
I would guess that we would get a good ROI on that because we did it ourselves.
Yep.
If we had paid to have it done, and you're saying we only 5 to 10 per bathroom, that might be a break even.
Right. I still think you'd make your money back on it on a resale.
Cool.
Yep.
Okay. Hallway. Added a faux brick wall.
I'd say neutral. Maybe distract. People might not like that. People might want to take it away.
Right. It's a design choice.
It's a design choice. Might not be for everybody.
Agreed. Okay, stairs. We added some under the stairs storage that didn't exist before.
Total add. Again, people are not going to know what it looked like before, but again, a house this small, any storage is usable storage.
More storage, more better.
Yeah.
And there's no attic and there's no basement
Crawl
because
space,
we
right.
are in Florida.
Yep.
All right, the stairs used to be carpeted, as did the entire upstairs. We ripped all the carpet out, redid the stairs, and painted them black.
That's a win. That's a value add.
Okay, so people don't want carpeted stairs or carpet in general?
Definitely not carpeted stairs. Most people don't like carpet, if anything, in the bedrooms or nice throw rugs.
Right. So we chose to put in LVP, take out the carpet, and put down rugs.
Yep, good choice.
Cool. The kitchen and bathroom cabinets were actually new when we moved in, but I never liked the color of the cabinets. They're not solid wood. They're like a fake mahogany. Lived with it for years because I couldn't justify changing it because they were brand new.
Right.
And then finally I'd had it. So I painted all of the kitchen cabinets, two-tone, white on the uppers, and a like kind of a chocolatey beige lowers.
Personally, I like it. Again, they're lighter. It's going to add light to the whole house. I think you'd be a neutral on that one.
Okay.
Some people may prefer the darker, even though it's fake, the darker kind of low lit look.
Yeah.
Personally, I like it, but I'd give it a neutral.
Okay. And what about painting the kitchen tile floor to give it a more modern look?
Again, I'm going to give it a neutral call on that one.
Okay.
I don't think it looks bad, but definitely doesn't match the rest of the house anymore.
Yeah. Well, the plan was to do the entire house.
Got it.
All right, what else? Laundry room had double bifold slatted doors. Took those out. It also had the builder grade wire racks. Took those out, built custom floating shelves, and wallpapered the whole room.
Yep.
And added a custom cabinet in between the washer and dryer that
for the garbage
adds counter space and pulls out for garbage and recycling.
Yep. Again, I think that's an add. And as you said before, if people want to put different appliances in there, they can be easy to remove.
Yep.
But I think that's an add for sure.
Sweet. Patio, we haven't really done much. And then the patio was just like kind of nasty concrete, and I painted it.
I think that'd be a neutral. The paint might be a distract just because it's a little loud.
It's wild.
But easy to fix. People are just going to do their own thing,
Yeah.
and it'd be easy to start with a clean slate out there.
Yeah. So the guest room was just a box, and I built custom built-ins, so a really long desk with drawers and cabinets on either side, and then bookshelves that go to the ceiling and floating shelves in the middle.
Again, I think that's an add. It turns an otherwise pretty bland box of a room. It gives it texture, it gives you place to put things. I like that. I think it's an add.
Cool. And obviously I turned that closet into my tool room. So what do you recommend doing there? Because obviously if that's going to be a second bedroom, that needs to be a closet.
Got to be a closet. People do like closet doors. A lot of people don't like to see their clothing from their bedroom unless it's around the corner or off of a bathroom. Almost all the houses that I see have a closet door of some sorts. It'd be easy to add one. But
did not think of that.
I like that it's a bigger opening into that.
Yeah, we did make the space more open.
Yep.
We did put in LVP in that bedroom.
Yep.
So we ripped out the tile. It was actually a different tile than the rest of the house for some
Upstairs
reason.
with tile.
No, downstairs, the bedroom.
Oh,
And
gotcha.
we
We're still
put
downstairs.
in-
Got it.
We put in
Yep.
LVP,
Got it.
like a nice light wood tone LVP wide plank.
Yep. I think that's good. Again, bedrooms is one of the few places in your house where you're barefoot.
Right.
Tiles can get cold. Maybe not in Florida, but I think it's more of a cozy aspect to have LVP in there.
Okay. And then also in that spare bedroom, the entire room is color drenched in a dark, moody green, and it's actually not paint, it's Roman clay.
I like it. I think that's an add. I actually felt the walls, and I like the texture of it.
Yeah, it definitely gives it a different aesthetic
Yep.
than paint.
Yeah, it feels like clay, or it feels a little chalky.
Yeah.
It's got some grab to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's it for downstairs.
Okay.
Upstairs, we ripped out the carpet, put in LVP.
Same thing. I think that's a win, especially if it's carpet from 1981. Nobody likes that.
It was newer carpet,
Okay.
but it was just tan, like medium pile, like your standard carpet.
Right. Again, personally, I like hard surfaces, with the exception of potentially bedrooms, because again, that's where you might be barefoot.
Right. But
In
do
and out
you
of
think
bed.
buyers are leery of carpet when they buy? Like, isn't that one of the first things that
Yep.
people want to rip out?
Yep. It holds odors, it holds stains, it holds pet hair if you have pets.
Right.
And I think it just looks cleaner and it looks more elegant with a hard surface than carpet.
Yeah. All right. Also upstairs, I added picture frame molding on the main wall.
I think that's a neutral. Again, personally, I like it. It adds some texture. It probably helps with the sound. But a lot of people I don't think would necessarily like it. I think it'd be harder to mount photos, artwork. It might distract from that. Again, personally, I like it. I think it's a nice touch, but I don't think it'll add value to the house.
Okay. Oh, there was a nook next to the stairwell that was kind of just unused space. It's just like a weird, awkward corner. And we built in a custom L-shaped desk and then some shelving next to it.
The Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, my little craft room.
Yep. I like it. I think it would add value because it makes an otherwise fairly useless corner of the room into a usable space. I would see people making that their little office nook. But yeah, I like that.
Okay. And then right underneath the desk, when we renovated the bathroom, we realized there was more unused space. So we built a little secret door that has now storage space under the desk that goes, it's like literally right here is where that space is.
Any space is gold.
Right. More storage, more.
And again, I don't think it's going to add value to the house because people aren't going to know what was there or what wasn't.
Right.
But I think that's somewhat of a selling point just to know that there is more storage space in a otherwise small house.
Cool. The closet, it did have a bifold door that I took out. And also just the wire builder grade shelving and wire racks. Took those out and custom built his and hers, dressers, hanging spaces, shoe racks, laundry spaces.
Yep.
Storage up top.
Adds value. Much nicer than the standard issue wire racks. And because it's off of the bathroom, you can't see into it from your bed or the bedroom. The fact that it doesn't have a door, I don't think matters at all.
Okay. And then across from the closet is the shower, the bathroom. And that had a door that opened in that barely cleared the toilet. So we took that off and put up a custom barn sliding door.
Yep. Those are very in style right now. Barn doors, whether they be for your barn or your bedroom or your bathroom. Door itself, I don't think would add value. What you did to the bathroom absolutely does.
Right. And that's next. So we also gutted the upstairs bathroom.
Right.
And fully
Yeah.
renovated that top to
Adds
bottom.
value. And just knowing the space up there, you couldn't really have a swinging door
No, it
in
was
there.
a horrible use of space.
Right. So I think what you did was smart and it looks nice.
Okay. The sink, again, the cabinet was new and had a granite sink top. I did a faux marble epoxy on the sink.
Nothing.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Cool.
Again, if you like it and it's been satisfying you for a while, great, but no value.
Okay. So what I'm hearing you say is most of our DIY projects added value to the house.
Yep.
Are there any big misses? Like things that we haven't done yet that if we did now in preparation to sell the house someday, that would give us even more value and ROI?
Again, you just said it, ROI. It's like how much time and effort and money do you want to put into it versus how much you're going to get out of it.
Right. Like the front
Yep.
entryway, like it's nothing special. It's just
Nope.
rocks and old pavers.
You want the house to look as big as it can and be as clean as it can be. So clearing the stuff out of the yards is huge. Clearing out personal items. Any, excessive artwork on the wall should go. Any excessive furniture should go. You want every room to look as big as it is and can be.
So now we're getting into some like hot tips for selling and staging a home.
Yep.
The other thing I thought was interesting that you said is all of the paint projects were kind of a neutral, except for painting the entire house white. You think that adds value?
Yep.
So as a DIYer, people who are maybe afraid of painting a room a color that they like, that they don't necessarily think other people would like,
give it a go. If you're going to be living in the house for a while, if it makes you happy, it's easy to paint a bedroom. And it's easy to repaint a bedroom.
Sweet.
Yeah, I think of the things you've done have been, value add for sure. Some of the sconces, the lighting, the chandelier does nothing. I think looks nice. The tick marks.
Painted hallway.
I would say that's a distractor. That would decrease value of the house because people would see that and not like it and know that they have to change it.
But that is another paint project that's easy to fix.
Right, and I would suggest that you fix that prior to selling the house if that's the route you're going to go.
I like how you said fix. Yeah, I said I wouldn't be. I would not get my feelings hurt. I know that has to go.
Fact. No, everything else. Yeah, I think you did good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Who wants to buy our house?
Buy this house.
Want to move to Florida?
No, I don't. I mean, yeah, Florida's great.
Yeah.
Love Florida.
I mean, we
The
did
people-
we had a good day. We had a good weekend.
People are fantastic.
We went to the beach.
The drivers,
The best.
so good. You can park anywhere you want.